So you guys have seen how I constructed my wig. Now it's on to this beautiful color. And I'm going to explain to you guys how I exactly got this color and what it took to get through it. Trust me, because it was not easy. Now I know you're probably wondering why she already starting off with the hair colored. So let me tell you before we get started, I colored this hair 3 times. I did not follow directions on the box, and I messed up this hair twice. The directions on the box that I used, which was Ion Permanent Bright's hair color, it says ready to use, do not mix. So of course, what did I do? I mixed it with some developer and it washed out the color. When I initially tried to color this hair, I had the top layer mixed with purple and fuchsia. The middle layer was fuchsia and magenta, and the bottom layer was this really bright magenta, red, and garnet. I had this tri-color effect going. It was gonna be lit. Then I washed out the hair and realized that it was terrible. So I went ahead and corrected my lace, and this is the results I had after I did that. So I'm ready to color it again, right? Cool. So once I colored it again, which I did not film, I did the top layer purple, the middle layer was fuchsia, and the bottom layer was magenta. And of course, again, I did not pay attention, and I decided to mix the colors with some conditioner, which also washed it out again. So for the 3rd time, I started to color my hair. The top layer was purple, the middle layer was fuchsia, and the bottom layer was magenta. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but on this time, the hair is the hair is darker. The hair is darker because I did not mix the hair color with anything, which what I was supposed to do in the very beginning. So after I dyed all of this hair, I was able to get the color that I wanted. When I dyed the hair the very first time, I left it on overnight because I wanted it to soak in, rinsed it out, saw my results. I dyed it the second time, left it in overnight, got the results, but both of those results were bad because I mixed the color. So this time I was going to leave it overnight, but I was just so impatient when it came to this color and everything's going on and me having to keep processing and everything. I just left it in for about 2 hours. So the color could have been brighter or came out differently if I would have left it in overnight, but like I said, I was impatient and I had already messed up twice. So I was just ready to be done with coloring this hair. You guys know this is my very first wig, so of course I don't know what I'm doing. I'm definitely not a professional, but I was just slightly over it and just ready to get the wig. I ended up with this very beautiful, I don't even know what color this is because I have purple roots. I have some of the fuchsia in the back, some of the magenta, but it's kind of red at the bottom too. I don't know what this is, but it's very work appropriate. Please stay tuned for my next video, which is how I color corrected my lace frontal after all of this coloring.